Hello everyone. So now let's talk about the motion of a body on a spherical surface. So here you can see at point A, so there is a body. So there is a body and the body is actually moving, started moving with a speed u, and then the body is coming and it's a frictionless surface, and it like at this point B, the body is actually losing the contact from the surface. So that's the thing. And again, I repeat, at point B, it is leaving or it is losing the contact from the surface then at with this velocity v. So let's talk about the conditions of it and remaining things about this. Okay, so let's discuss. First thing we are going to do, as usual, energy conservation. So the energy at A, so the total mechanical energy at A will be, I'm equating with total mechanical energy at B. So what is that? M half mu square plus, so I take my choice of, look at this, zero potential energy line as this. Okay, the line from the center. So it will be mgr, yes, is equal to, what will be the energy there? So you can understand that there the kinetic energy is half mv square plus. Now what is the potential energy at that point? You can understand that this is the height. What is that? This is r. Here I have considered capital R, so it will be r cos theta. So it will be mgr cos theta. So now you look at this, you can multiply throughout with 2 and you just remove m you can cancel common. So u square plus 2gr is equal to v square plus 2gr cos theta. So this R terms, you can potential energy heads, you can take one side, and velocity heads, let it go on the other side. So it will be 2g R, you can take outside, into 1 minus cos theta is equal to v square minus u square. So if I want v square, then I can put it here itself. So v square is equal to u square plus 2gr into 1 minus cos theta. So what is theta? Theta is like this angle, as you can see. Theta is here. Okay, so this will be the velocity at that point. Correct? So this is one of the questions that you can expect from this, but this wouldn't be the question. Okay, the question would be a little more specific. That is, if this body is actually leaving from the surface, then what would be the angle, or how much angular distance it can cover, and then after it leaves from the surface. So we have to do that as well. Okay, how do we do that? So it's easy, actually. It's easy. If this angle is theta, then of course this angle is theta, and here mg component is there, and what will be this? This will be mg cos theta. Is it clear? So now you can understand that if it leaves from that surface at that moment at point B, the normal reaction is actually 0, right? The normal reaction at that point would be 0. So that's why it is leaving the surface. So the point is, then mg cos theta will be equal to mv square by r. So that is a fundamental idea. Look at this. Otherwise, mg cos theta, the resultant of mg cos theta and mv square by r would be what? N. But n is 0. What does that mean? mv square by r, you know that it is in this direction. So the centrifugal force, you know that, right? mv square by r is equal to mg cos theta. So I can just cancel mm. So what is v square? V square is basically rg cos theta. Don't mind that I changed small r to capital R. So I was just writing the general equation, but here it is capital R. I agree with that. So v square is equal to rg cos theta. So if you could substitute that in this equation, as you can see, if you could substitute that here, then that would be the best. Okay, you will get the best result out of it. So what is that? rg cos theta is equal to u square plus 2gr minus 2gr cos theta. So my aim is basically to find out theta. Okay, so if I get cos theta, that would be better. So what I'm going to do is like this minus 2gr cos theta. When it comes to this side, on the other side, so it would become, as you can see, 3 gr cos theta is equal to u square plus 2gr. What is cos theta then? Cos theta is equal to u square plus 2gr divided by 3gr. So this is the theta value, or theta is equal to cos inverse of this. So you can find out how much theta based on the u value. Okay, based on the u value, based on the r value. So you can find out what would be the theta and at what angle this body is going to lose the contact, and after that it will be following a parabolic path, which means it will be a projectile. Okay, so this is the fundamental understanding of this. I hope you got it. And if any sort of doubt is there, you just comment below, or you just ping me. Okay, thank you.